Good morning, everyone. Today we're picking up with lesson 4 of chapter 1, powers of monomials, and our objective is to use the laws of exponents to find powers of monomials. Don't forget to check over the materials needed and things to watch for in the videos. And let's get started. To find the power of a power, you just simply multiply the exponents. So I think you'll find that this is a pretty quick skill to get a handle on. So here's an example. We've got 5 squared in parentheses to the third power. So all we do is we multiply 2 times 3. So we multiply the square times the cube. So 5 to the 2 times 3 would simply be 5 to the 6. Algebraically, a to the m to the n would be a to the m times n. You can use this rule for finding the product of powers to discover another law of exponents for finding the power of a power. So here, for example, we've got 6 to the 4th to the 5th. So we've got 5 factors, 6 to the 4th 5 times. We apply the rule for the product of powers. So we add all of the 4's together and we get 6 to the 20th. And you can see that if I take 4 times 5, I get 6 to the 20th as well. Notice that the product of the original exponents 4 and 5 is the final power, 20, which is what I just mentioned. 4 times 5 would give us 20. Let's take a look at a couple examples. So here we're simplifying using the laws of exponents. We've got 8 to the 4th to the third power. Using the power of a power rule, we take 8 to the 4 times 3, which just simply becomes 8 to the 12th. And for k to the 7th to the 5th, we would take k to the 7 times 5, apply our power of a power rule, and we get k to the 35th. It's that simple. So today I want you to just try these on your own first. Pause the video, work through the problems, then check back for the answers. So for A, we've got 2 to the 5th squared, which would just become 2 to the 5 times 2, or 2 to the 10th. Final answer. For B, w to the 4th to the 6th would become w to the 4 times 6, or w to the 24th. And then last but not least, C, we've got 3 squared to the third squared. So that looks a little bit more complex, but all we do still is we just multiply all of our exponents. So that would mean we would have 3 to the 2 times 3 times 2. And 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12. So our final answer is 3 to the 12th. So the assignment today is page 35, number 1 through 6. Please remember to go through the assignment checklist to make sure you have everything that you need in your assignment before you hand it in.